Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Sipping on gin and juice, lay back. Got my mind on my money and my money on my mind. Yeah, Snoop Dogg. All right, this is what I'm about to mix up. I'm about to mix up gin and juice, but it's a twisted gin and juice because Snoop Dogg made a strawberry flavored gin. Now, yeah, I'm trying to get it up to you. You haven't had this yet. You better get it. You better get it. I'm telling you, you're missing out. If you have not had this strawberry flavored gin, you don't know what you miss. Gin make you sin. Gin make you sin. Y'all not be clowning with these drinks. Gin make you sin, baby. So, now tell you what. Gin and juice. Now, gin and juice, you gotta kind of make it to taste. You know what I'm saying? So, you could put equal parts orange juice and gin if you want to, but hey, I'm a drinker, so it ain't likely I'm going to use it. But I'm telling you to start off with equal parts of gin. So here we go. All right, got that Indoggo strawberry gin. Put that in there. Ooh, Snoop Dogg. Shout out Snoop Dogg, Godfather, y'all, baby. Snoop Dogg, what's up? I had my favorite gin before. That might be my new favorite right there. Yes, baby. Now see, that don't look like enough to fill up my glass, so let me see. Cause I put this indigo in my little decanter on the bar, so I'm gonna have to go back in and get it. Hold on, y'all. Let me see. If I got at least a half a scoop, that's good. Oh, it's a whole scoop. Oh, it's a whole scoop. All right, there we go. All right, so now I'm gonna put in about another scoop of OJ. What's up with that? I don't mean OJ Simpson either. I mean orange juice. All right, here we go. Hey, let's give it a little shake. Don't give it too much of a shake. Water your drink down. That's why a lot of people don't like ice. Water down your drink. But I'm about to pour in the gin, the juice, and the ice. Look at that. Twisted gin and juice. Y'all know a screwdriver is vodka and orange juice. So this is gin and juice. Laid back. Got my mind on my money and my money on my mind. Sipping on gin and juice. Ooh, Lord, child. This is a tipsy night. If y'all been watching my videos, then y'all know what I say at the end of every video. First, I want to tell you to go hit that like and subscribe button. Share it, and if you're coming back, I do thank you for watching again. But y'all know what I always say. You better go make this. This is good. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. As always, I appreciate you. Hit that like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.